morning, friends. Today I am going to explain the program that is creating analog clock using the action script in Macromedia Flash Player. Okay, so for creating the analog clock, what you want to do is, first I will explain very clearly, very simple manner. You need 3 layers. Okay, layer 1 is for clock, and layer 2 is for your symbols for showing the clock, minute, hour and seconds, and layer 3 is for the action script. So in the layer 3 action script we have to write this code. Okay, so let me explain with practically. Okay, first open your Macromedia Flash document, open the new document. Here first you need to install 3 layers. Okay, layer 1, layer 2 and layer 3. Okay, so in the layer 1, frame 1, first you have to import a empty clock image. Okay, so the empty clock image you can see like this. So like this you can install, you can import the image. Okay, so this one. Okay, so this is the layer 1. After installing this, what you want to do is select this image. Okay, right click and convert to symbol. Okay, so here make sure that movie clip and the registration is the middle one in the bottom. Okay, then click OK. Yeah, after that in the layer 2, go to layer 2. Here in the layer 2 frame 1, what you want to do is, so if you don't want to confuse, already it is there and all everything, means you can hide the layer 1 like this. Okay, so then in the layer 2 first frame 1, okay, choose the paint brush. Okay, this one, brush tool, and choose the size for the thick one, and here choose the shape, this one. Okay, so using the different colors you can write, you can draw 3 lines. Okay, first I can draw the line, big line. Okay, this is a one line. Then I can choose another color, red color. I can draw the medium line. Okay, and I can choose another green color and I can draw the second line like this. Okay, so now I draw the 3 color lines. So these each and every line you can convert to the symbol. Okay, click here, select this full and right click, convert to symbol. So see here, movie clip and the registration, then click OK. Then same like that, all 3 lines you have to convert to the symbol. Okay, like this. All 3 lines you can convert to the symbols. Okay, so now it was finished. So after converting the symbols, you can give the name for the each and every lines. Okay, so first this line, this long line, green color line, I can give the seconds line, SEC. Okay, SEC, second line. Okay, then for the red color line, I can give hour, HOUR, hour line. Okay, then and the blue color line I can give the instance name is minute, MIN, minutes. Okay, so now all lines has the different colors. Now open the layer 1 to show the clock. What you want to do is, you have to make sure all the lines here like this on the 12 like this. Okay, all the symbols you can drag into the 12 like this. Okay, so this small one is there. Okay, yeah, so now what you want to do is, after making all lines in the similar place, you can select all the image like this. Okay, then right click, then convert to symbol. Okay, then here for the symbol you can give the name is CLOC, clock. Okay, then click OK. Yes, now see, if you move, everything will move like this. Okay, see, this is the advantage of converting the symbol. Then what you want to do is, go to layer 3. Okay, in the layer 3 frame 1, what you want to do is, this clock here in the library. You can find this clock. Okay, after making the symbol of everything like this entire clock, then what you want to do is go to layer 3 and in the frame 1 right click on the actions. Okay, so here actions, you have to write the code. Okay, after writing the code, what you want to do is in the library, here you can find in the library, click on the clock and move this clock to here in the work area. Okay, then see automatically action script will become white color. Again paste the code, that means write the code here. After that you can check the syntax. Check the syntax. See, the script contains no errors. Then run your program. Go to control, test movie. Yes, see, the time is now 10:30 night. See the seconds, this was moving. This is called as a analog clock output. Thank you girls. Thank you very much. Hope everyone understand this program. Okay.